How would you like $3,000 by tomorrow morning by doing nothing more than completing a tiny form at the end of this short presentation? $3,000 in your checking account by tomorrow morning, guaranteed. Even if you have never made a single cent online before today, no skills, no experience, it doesn't matter. This opportunity is for anyone who has a connection to the internet. What I have for you today is a genuine, life-changing opportunity. In fact, you can see here that the 10 normal everyday people who joined yesterday have all already been paid $3,000 as of this morning. How cool is that? Money problem solved. So you can see with your own eyes that this is a genuine opportunity for you to start making over $3,000 per day starting today simply by downloading and activating my Autopilot app either on your computer or mobile device. This app, once you've downloaded it, taps into the financial markets on 100% autopilot with zero risk. Because this method uses groundbreaking communications network and counter trade technology, it never loses a single trade. That's right. This opportunity to make autopilot trades exists only because of our groundbreaking communications technology and our patent-pending counter trade technology. Now, more about that in a moment. All you have to do is download it to start receiving the average $3,000 per day that my new members are entitled to. As you are about to see, this is an opportunity that allows you to earn money from the success of others. $3,000 per day from just 2 minutes setup time at the end of this very short video tutorial. I'm proposing $3,000 in less than 24 hours from now in your checking account, then $3,000 every day for life with only 2 minutes of setup time. Normal people are doing this already from the comfort of their own home, and the process is 100% free. Hi, my name is Dominic Shepard. I'm, well, the boss, I guess, over at the Live the Dream Life Club. I'm very privileged to have the choice whether to ever work again, and better still to actually receive cash on complete autopilot every single day of my life. It sounds amazing, right? Well, let me tell you, it is truly amazing, and I can do the same thing for you starting right now. You see, up until now, what you and 99% of the population have failed to notice is that it's actually very easy to achieve this kind of lifestyle once someone points you in the right direction. And that's why we are here, my friend. You see, I can make you rich beyond your wildest dreams starting in just 5 minutes from now. Most people who landed on this page won't even have made it this far into the presentation because they are afraid of change and uncertainty, even if it means life-changing money at the end of it. Well, they missed out, as you are about to see. It's the people who have gotten this far, who are still listening to what I have to say, and who will listen right until the end that will go on to change their lives today. So first, a big congratulations. You are still here. Thank you. So let me explain how this works. I discovered a way to make normal, everyday people with typical normal lives rich beyond their wildest dreams. And there's a very beautiful mutual benefit that is central to all of this. You see, I figured out a way to make more money for myself by helping others make money. It's a win-win situation for you and I, with only the fat cat banks losing. And this is 100% legal and 100% ethical. In fact, it would be my pleasure to help set you up to start making $3,000 a day beginning tomorrow morning. But the really cool part is that I make money when you make money. And just to put your mind totally at ease, I never get paid a single cent until your payments are cleared and ready to spend in your checking account. Only then do I receive my cut. It gets better. You see, we make all this money easily for our members because my team and I have developed a 100% strike rate trading software that trades automatically. That's right, I said it trades automatically. It trades on markets around the world and makes every single one of our members money every day without them having to do a single thing other than download our app to their computer or mobile device. To download the app only takes about 45 seconds, and that's it. Your part is done. Well, 99% done. All that's required after that is to activate the app, and that takes one single click. By downloading our app to your chosen device, you are helping us make more money, so it's only fair that we reward you with an automated $3,000 each and every day. The app is called Optical Signal Trader, and once you have activated it, it links you into our main database via a global network of super fast data transfer clusters. As you are about to discover, our trading infrastructure transfers data 50,000 times faster than traditional broadband. 50,000 times faster. That means the entire HD series of the TV show Game of Thrones could be downloaded in less than 1 second. This super fast infrastructure gives members a chance to plug a small fraction of the trillions of dollars of daily trades right into their own bank accounts. It's that simple. All you need to do to get started and become one of us is this. First, enter your name and best email on the form to the right or below this video. Second, on the next page, download the Optical Signal Trader app. That's it. We'll take over from there. Everything will be explained in a short and simple email, so make sure you enter your details correctly. In just a moment, I'm going to introduce a very special guest to explain how and why the Optical Signal Trader app actually makes so much money for you. But first, and to keep this simple, here's what it means for you in real spendable cash terms. The Optical Signal Trader app, via our global communications infrastructure, taps into global markets depending on which are open at any given time. For example, if Wall Street is closed, it'll tap into London or Tokyo. It really doesn't matter which. All it does matter is the money it makes finds its way to your bank account each and every morning, so you can wake up safe in the knowledge that another $3,000 has been deposited into your account sometime overnight. In effect, your Optical Signal Trader app will tap into the 5.7 trillion US dollars that are traded daily. The software skims the trades and always makes big money. It splits the profits and then shares the profits with whomever I choose, basically our members. So that means you, if you take action right now. The benefit for me, or to put it another way, the reason I need people like you to join is because every time the OST app places a trade for you, it also places a trade for me. And over at the Live the Dream Life Club, we have developed the OST app in such a way that it cannot ever lose a trade. I'll explain why in just a second. But because it can't ever lose a single trade, no one, not me, not you, not anybody, is ever at risk of losing a single penny. That's why the OST app is such a life changer for you right now. You download it today and activate it in just a few seconds, and we both start making money. So here's a bit about my background and, of course, my credentials. Since I founded the Live the Dream Life Club back in 2014, it was originally my aim to invest my savings trying to find the perfect way for our members to earn money from home. Before I discovered the goldmine of automated trading, we were also successful in things called affiliate marketing. ClickBank, Google AdSense, Amazon Associates, eBay Partners, you name it, and we were very good at it. Back in 2014, all of our 374 members were all earning between $175 and even $350 per day, all of our members without exception. But then things suddenly got really interesting. It was back in February 2015. We were looking for new income opportunities to help all our members expand their income streams and, of course, grow their daily profits. Because, like always, when our members make more, we make more. I invited my best and oldest friend, George Larson, to become a primary shareholder and opportunity developer in Live the Dream Life Club. And so, what I'm about to explain to you is what's behind the fact that you are going to be $3,000 richer by tomorrow morning. You see, George was a recently retired high school physics teacher who, as it happened, had written an article for New Science magazine on the importance of optical data signal transmission in the field of superfast data transfer. Around this time, I was already investigating trading as a new source of easy cash for our members. And it was when George and I spoke about this that George saw an opportunity to test trading using optical signal transmission technology. Now, officially, this technology wasn't even revealed to the world until February of 2016. But it had been around since early 2014 in its early stages, and as part of his research paper, George had gotten complete access to the global network of optical signal hubs. This meant we could transmit data from one point to another anywhere on the Earth almost at the speed of light. In effect, we were using the already existing scientific network of supercomputers scattered around the world and using the optical signal network that connects them to place trades. It's genius, I know. You see, the key problem facing any trader is typically the speed at which they can send and receive data. It's okay to have software or trading bots that can predict an imminent, and I'm talking nanosecond imminent, change in stock commodity value, but it's not okay if you make the trade and miss the window of opportunity. And all this happens in hundredths of a second. In other words, your trading software predicts a profit could be made in the next half second. It places a trade. But by the time the trade is finished, the price changed and it went the opposite way. End result, the trader lost money. The beauty of the OST app is that it can never lose money because of something we call the rapid counter trade, or RCT. And the rapid counter trade only works because our exclusive access to the global network of optical signal hubs and the speed at which we can send and receive data. All of this is thanks to George Larson. It's all thanks to George that each and every one of our 10 new members that joined today, and remember, today's the final day, are guaranteed to make at least $3,000 by tomorrow morning, then each day after that. So, I'd like to introduce you to the brains behind Optical Signal Trader. Please meet George Larson. Hi, George, and welcome.
Thank you, Dominic. Glad to be here. And I'm so pleased that Optical Signal Trader is making us all a lot of money on the markets. What an amazing piece of timing to hit the road running with so much success.
Well, isn't it, my friend? And like I said, it's really all thanks to you, George. So once again, a big thank you. I thought you could explain exactly what makes this opportunity such a great one for today's visitors. Maybe just explain why our software is so powerful.
Oh, sure, Dominic. You see, we are able to make all of these profits for our members because all of our mainframes talk to each other and to the markets using the breakthrough optical signal technology you talked about. Why? Well, because our communications continuously broadcast data via two forms of optical signal transfer, OST1 and OST2. These signals travel almost at the speed of light, 186,000 miles per second, and take approximately 6/100ths of a second to circle the Earth, making the transfer of trading data 94/100ths faster than the fastest Wall Street cable data transfer.
So the end result is that we get the trading outcome 94/100ths faster than the markets.
Yes, exactly. And let me repeat this because this is very important. By using optical signal transmission connections, we get the trading outcomes 94/100ths of a second faster than the markets.
Okay, but 94/100ths of a second, that doesn't give you much time to react, right?
Wrong. 94/100ths of a second in trading is like knowing who became the prom queen 24 hours before everybody else.
Wow, and it's interesting when you put it like that. I mean, please explain about the rapid counter trade too, George.
Okay, this 94/100ths of a second advantage allows our optical signal app to place a rapid counter trade, or RCT, if the original trade goes the wrong way. All this happens in 94/100ths of a second. So, if our software detects a risk within our parameters of over 0.02%, it places a rapid counter trade in the opposite direction, generating a break even. So the end result is you never lose.
So, in other words, the RCT is a backup guarantee that software can't lose a single cent on a trade. It's mathematically impossible for you to lose even 1 cent, right?
Correct. Exactly. The absolute worst case scenario is that you break even because the rapid counter trade, RCT, offers 100% protection against losing. And the great thing is we only see a break-even trade every 33 trades. So every 32 trades, we make money. And on the 33rd, we break even with that trade. Then the following 32 trades all make profit again.
Exactly. Thank you so much for explaining that, George.
It's a pleasure, Dominic.
So, you see, the power of the Optical Signal Trader app and the rapid counter trade algorithm is life-changing for you. Here, let's take a look at the data from yesterday's trades. As you can see, yesterday our clients collectively had 1,351 trades, of which only 41 were break-even. So 1,310 were winning trades. Remember, it's not possible to have losing trades because of the rapid counter trade algorithm that protects your trades from losing. So how's that $3,000 per day sounding by now? Pretty darn good, right? Remember, you can enroll and be activated in under 87 seconds at the end of this short video. Then my team will set everything up for you. That takes about 15 minutes. And that's it. You're ready to see your first $3,000 in your checking account by tomorrow morning. Let me show you how real this is. I'm just going to log in here to our payroll system. Just bear with me. Okay, here we are. Right. You can see here that yesterday I took on the first 10 of our 20 new members. The other 10, of course, I'm taking on today, and today is the final day. So these 10 new members from yesterday have each already been paid $3,000 at least this morning. They will receive $3,000 tomorrow morning, then the day after that, and the day after that. It just goes on and on. And remember, you don't need any previous experience or even a single skill, and you don't need to pay me a single cent. This is so easy, anybody can enroll in less than 2 minutes and be all set up to receive $3,000 by tomorrow morning, just 5 minutes from now. Interested? Great. Then let me explain a little bit more about this life-changing opportunity. And just before I do, I want to take a few seconds to give you a taste of how your life is about to change. If you take action at the end of this short video, you are just days away from planning your new dream house, a new automobile, paying off all your debts, taking that dream vacation, showering gifts on your friends and family, then $3,000 per day for life. The fact that you are hearing this means there are still places available. So remember, I'm taking on 10 people per day over a 2-day period, and today is the final day. 20 people in all, guaranteed to start making $3,000 per day starting now. Today is day 2, your last chance. There are 10 spaces open, so please listen very carefully while I explain what you need to do to make sure you get in. First, let me recap. Yesterday, 10 people took positive, life-changing action and joined my Live the Dream Life program. 10 people yesterday. And if you take a look at this, every single one of them has made over $3,000 since then. That's an average student income in the first 24 hours of $3,567.88. That's right. The 10 people who joined me yesterday all made over $3,000 in the first 24 hours. That's at least $3,000 already in their checking accounts since yesterday. That puts them on a fast track to make at least $1 million this year. All set up for them by my Live the Dream Life team, with less than 5 minutes setup time. Since I started the Live the Dream Life project back in 2014, I've personally made over $37 million. Our Live the Dream Life students combined have made way more. My checking account this morning looks like this. That's over $31.5 million that I don't even really need. The only thing between you and this kind of money right now is one very simple decision. The decision to join us today. Download the Optical Signal Trader app and start making money from the fat cats in the markets on complete autopilot. And remember, my team and I are here to see that you get that first $3,000 tomorrow morning. That way, we all make money together. So it's time for you to focus on something that will deliver at least $3,000 per day, every day for life. Think about the new house, the new car, the dream travel that this new money is going to start providing for you. And remember, you don't need to do anything other than enroll on this page and download the Optical Signal Trader app. It ain't $1 billion a year, but it's the next best thing. $3,000 per day. And right now, Live the Dream Life and our exclusive Optical Signal Trader is the only thing on the planet that will allow you to start making life-changing money just 5 minutes from now. Okay, so why does Optical Signal Trader make thousands on complete autopilot? Why does it make crazy amounts of profits when all the others crash and burn? It's because our software has an unfair but 100% legal trading advantage, an advantage that equates to hundreds of thousands of dollars in profit for our members every single day. The optical signal network created by George means that all our trades take place over a time scale no longer than 96/100ths of a second, significantly faster than the market mainframes transfer data. This incredible speed of data transfer gives us a microscopic 4/100ths of a second within which time Optical Signal Trader can place a counter trade if the original trade goes bad. 4/100ths of a second to ensure that our worst case scenario is always a break even. And with 30 or more trade winners on average to every break even, this means you and I stand to make a lot of money each and every day, and with zero risk. And remember, as far as you are concerned, this is a totally brand new, totally automated, totally free way to make money from home. Even if you have zero skills and have never made 1 cent online before today. In fact, if you've never made a single cent online, that's even better, because the $3,000 you're about to start making daily is going to taste so much sweeter for it. And of course, I understand if you're skeptical. You can be skeptical, be very skeptical. It's good that you're skeptical, because I know this sounds too good to be true. And if you listen to the end of this short video, not only am I going to explain exactly how this works, I'm also going to tell you why I'm allowing 10 ordinary, everyday people just like you to join me. So what I'm about to do for the lucky 10 people who join me today is guarantee that you will make $3,000 by this time tomorrow, just like the 10 people who joined me yesterday already have. By this morning, each of them had already made over $3,000. Some had made much more. Helen from Tyne and Wear, UK, made $3,225.28. Gina from Florida made $3,718.59. Chad from Iowa made $3,497.19. Bill Warner from Jersey made $3,188.22. Matthew from California made a staggering $6,154.35. Ronnie from Holland made $3,581.34. Stevie from Brisbane made $3,957.28. Matthias from Frankfurt, $4,752.34. Jamie Reinbeck started early, and he has made over $25,000 in his last 7 days, all by activating their very own optical signal training account that I gave them for free just yesterday. You see, despite Wall Street accounting for 91% of all paid out or winning trades, it's mainly dominated by big corporations. And you have to ask yourself this: if the likes of these can make billions from the markets, why shouldn't you be able to grab a slice too? And remember, yesterday's 10 members all made at least $3,000 each in their first 24 hours. Now, here's the million-dollar question. Why am I happy to share this with you for free? Well, it's really as simple as I outlined earlier. When you download our Optical Signal Trader app to your PC or mobile device, we make more money. Every time it wins a trade, we make more money. So it's only fair that we pay you at least $3,000 per day from our organization's winning trades each and every day, and all without you having to do a single thing. How cool is that? We both win. Now, the other reason I'm only letting 10 people in today for free is because next month we're releasing this to the public at $1,997 setup fee and $259 a month maintenance. You can see here the doors will open to the public next month on our main sales website at $1,997 setup fee and $259 per month. Act now, and you are one of the last 10 to get it 100% free. And it gets even better, because if you move now, take action right now, my personal broker and his team will set everything up for you and make sure you are all set and ready to receive that $3,000 tomorrow morning. So let my personal broker and his team set up your first guaranteed trades right now. The $3,000 will hit your chosen checking account tomorrow. This is strictly limited to 10 people today, and today's the last day. So if you want to become part of the fastest growing income machine online, you must take action right now. Click the link next to the video to secure your space. If you can still see the link, there may still be some of the 10 places left. Click it now and secure your spot. I'll see you on the next page and explain exactly what you need to do.